What if I told you that you could test some powerful AI models like DeepSeek, GLM 5.2, and Kimi without immediately spending money on API credits? According to a recently shared community offer, new users may be able to receive thousands of dollars worth of API credits for free without adding a credit card. In this video, I'll show you what the offer is, how it works, and how you can connect the API to your development tools. Let's get started.
First, visit the website using the link in the description below. Click Sign Up and register with your email address. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the registration process. Once your account has been created, log into your dashboard. My current balance stands at 14,600 yuan, which is approximately $2,162 US. Next, navigate to the API Key section. Click Create API Key. Now enter a name for your API key. This can be anything that helps you identify it later. Then choose your API quota. You can either set it to unlimited or specify a spending limit, depending on your preference. Finally, click Save.
That's it, your API key is now ready to use. Just remember to keep it private and never share it publicly, as anyone with your API key can access your API usage. If you'd like to receive additional free credits, simply, on the right side of the page, you'll find the daily check-in option. Click on Check-in and your account will be credited instantly. If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe
for more free AI tools, developer APIs, open source projects, and AI coding resources. And let me know in the comments, which model would you test first? DeepSeek, Minimax M3? I'll see you in the next one.